Hi everyone, it's your favorite American teen Ishida. I just wanted to talk a little bit about coronavirus. It's pretty scary right now. I'm in California and our governor has ordered a shelter in place till May, which means that no one can leave their homes except for essential things like groceries and pharmacies. My school classes are all online and I haven't left my house in weeks. I won't see my friends or teachers for another month or so. After a week, we have all been adjusting. But this is still a new situation and things change every day. As teenagers, we have a responsibility to help stop the spread by following the rules and distancing ourselves. I know most of Youth2World Conversation Nation videos are about in-person interaction, but right now it's important that we stay away from other people to stop the spread. So, make sure to wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. Remember in preschool we were taught to sing the alphabet song to wash our hands. We can always do that again. Don't go to public places right now, even if you want to hang out with your friends. If you have any symptoms like coughing, shortness of breath, or fever, you may need to seek medical attention. Be sure to check the official government or news sources for information. If you have grandparents staying with you, make sure they don't go outside as they have a big risk of getting infected. While you're at home, make sure to exercise so that your body stays healthy. Try to eat healthy foods. Don't only eat chips and candy. I know, it's hard. If you're going crazy staying at home, here are a few ideas to keep yourself busy. You can learn a new skill from the internet like baking or knitting. You can call your friends or even write them letters if you want to try something new. You can even watch more Youth2World videos since I'll be making quite a few. If we all unite together and take this virus seriously, we teenagers can help flatten the curve and stop the infection. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Bye for now.